YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Don1914 here to bring you another sneaker review. And well, in this video, I have definitely a sneaker that I've been anticipating to see in hand. It's kind of a late review on that, but we'll get to that. That'll be the last unboxing. So we got a couple of unboxings to do. We got some sneaker app dubs unboxing that we're gonna go ahead and get into first before we get into the star of the show. So, who doesn't love a good unboxing? So let's go ahead and get into it. Like I said in previous videos, if you watched, I hit the Union collab again for a double up on the Union. I got, exclusive access for the raffle. Ended up hitting the raffle and got the hoodie to go with it. So this is the lighter hoodie that I wanted to really, take a look at. So, before we get into all that, if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you into fits and kicks, you in the right place. My OGs, thank you for the continued support. I really appreciate it. And like, comment, and subscribe. Go ahead and share the channel to friends and family so we can go ahead and get this channel growing and get it popping. So, so this right here is the hoodie. I do have the black hoodie already, but this is the lighter color hoodie that came with the Union collab. So let's go ahead and see what that's looking like. All right, cool. Go ahead and get this box up out of here. Okay. Got it wrapped. This is how they come wrapped. I do like that, man. It's like, I don't know, it's just gives us like a premium feel to it. You know what I mean? So I like when they come wrapped like that, not just like the hoodie in the box. Because, some lighter hoodies, when they come like this, you peel this little top layer off right here, you can go ahead and put it back into this plastic bag, and that'll help preserve it, especially white hoodies. Put it back in a plastic bag so no dust or anything can get on top of it, and that will preserve it. So we're going to sit that on top for now. So this is like the light bone Union hoodie that came with the collab. So, as you can see, let me see here. I may have to turn down this light a little bit. It might be too bright. Hold on, give me 1 second. Oh, hope that's a little better. But as you can see on the front, just like the black one, it has the Jumpman right there in blue with the Union underneath. Actually, it says, Union LA, so UN LA, and that blue right there. You can see on the front left chest, upper chest. On the back, we got the Air Jordan and Union on the back in that blue, which that really makes it pop. On this colorway of the hoodie, that really makes it pop. Let me see here. I could have sworn there was something else on the hoodie. Let me see. It doesn't come with any drawstrings. It's one of those hoodies where you can wear it with your chain. Any hoodie that don't come with the drawstrings is like a hoodie for me. You can wear your chain. Any hoodies with the drawstrings, I wouldn't wear a chain with a hoodie with drawstrings. This looks crazy to me. That's just my personal opinion. But yeah, it does. So on the right hand bottom corner, you do get a Jumpman and Union right there in that blue. So that's what you'll get on the bottom of the hoodie. So that's the hoodie. And for sizing, this collab, the Unions, they fit oversized. So for me, I just went with a normal large instead of up in the size, so an extra large. So I went with a large. The hoodie retails at $120, and this is a men's large. So the large still fit oversized to me. It's not too baggy, but you got a lot of room if you just go, with your regular size. So that's for sizing tips and the hoodie. Now let's get into the kicks. Cool, like I said, for the start of the show, we're gonna leave that for the last unboxing. We do got a pull tab box right here. We're gonna have to use some knife for this one right here. And this was on the sneaker app as well. And like I said, in my previous videos, what I did was, I went for the merch first. So I copped the hoodie first, and then after I copped the hoodie, after like the 2-hour draw was over with, I ended up hitting on the shoe. So I don't know, this is like my 3rd time doing this as far as buying merch first and then going for the kicks and hitting the kicks because you bought some merch. So hey, it could be just a coincidence or it could be a strategy. Take that information as you will. Now, of course, you got your Union box, of course. Of course, I went with my size 10, as I normally do. Flip it up. Got the Union paper right there. Shoes come individually wrapped. I forgot all about that. Let me go ahead and unwrap these. And yeah. You go. Union 1. I call them the Shadows. Chicago and Shadow combination. So And I will say, yeah, my sneakers pairs is just like my Union pair, nothing different. Same materials and everything. You know, sometimes you get these mass-produced shoes, and you know, depending on where you get them from, some pair could look better than others. You know what I mean? They're made in different factories, things of that nature. But this is spot on. Same thing. Laces are still come dead stock tied. Shoe paper. Everything looks good. Looks A1. Let me check the other shoe. You gotta always make it a habit of checking both shoes, man, because you want to make sure, you know, any type of blemishes or scratches or scuffs or anything like that on your shoes. But yeah, these are good. These are A1 for sure. Got that strong smell as well. So here's the left shoe, clean and crispy. So you're probably asking yourself, you know, what do you want to do with both pairs, man? Are you keeping both pairs? And my answer to that is absolutely not. I will not be keeping both pairs of shoes. So basically, with everything that's coming out, I'm probably going to use these for trade bait and or you know, sell them, get the money. And if I miss out on anything and have to pay resale, maybe use that money to cop those. Like for instance, I do have the SB Navies on their way to 4s, and I had to pay resale for them. So maybe I might go ahead and just sell this and get the money and use it to replenish that, because, you know, I definitely don't need 2 pair of these. But I was fortunate enough to hit on both pairs. So that's it for the SNKRS App dub. Now let's get into the star of the show. All right, here we go. Here go the star right here. This is what I've been waiting to see. Let me go ahead and slice him open so we can get it cracking. Serve. And I caught this pair from Snipes. So actually it came, this pair came pretty quick. Snipes, you know, I'm in Delaware, so Snipes that this came from was in Philadelphia. So it was only like maybe like a 2-day shipping process. So that's pretty cool. So here we have the box. You already should know what this is. Cool gray box with the red Jordan Jumpman in the middle. Got the Jordan Air Jordan. And put the lid, nothing on the inside of the lid. Wrapped in one layer of paper. And let's get into it, man. Whoo, okay. Mind you, I've never owned this pair, so for me, this is my first time really ever seeing this in hand and having a pair to look at in hand. So yeah, these are nice, man. So without further ado, let's get into the review of the Air Jordan 9 Cool Gray. So this is going to be kind of a quick review. You know, you've seen this shoe and you've seen reviews have been out on this shoe. This is just my first time. I had to hit a restock on this pair on Snipes, so I was lucky enough to get that. These shoes are going for, like, in my size, 10.5 is going for like $270 right now in the resale market, so I was fortunate enough to grab that restock and hit for retail. And you know, we're gonna do a quick review because I do want to see, I'm eager to see how they look on feet, because, you know, like I said, this is my first time ever owning this pair, so I'm, you know, thirsty to throw them on feet. Let's start with the size attack. Again, like I said, I got a 10.5. I'll wear a 10.5 in my Jordan 9s. You know, you got your cool gray box with the red Jumpman in the middle of the Air Jordan. You know, Nike branding on that side, Nike branding on that side, and of course Nike branding on the bottom of the box. Again, inside should come plain. There's no stamp stickers or anything like that. You have one set of paper that looks like this. No green stickers on the inside of the box, and you should have, let's see here, the lot number right there in red. You can see that. So this is how your box should come if you do have to pop these off the second-hand market. You know, make sure your box comes just like that. Now, enough of the box. Let's get into the kicks. So here are the kicks. Comment down below. Did you go for a pair? Did you end up having to pay resale? Or did you catch a restock? Or did you get them for retail when they dropped on release day? I mean, these kind of surprised everyone. No one expected these to sell out. I sure didn't expect them to sell out, but Jordan did wear these when he played for the Wizards. So, and they are a clean shoe. Now that I see them in hand, they're pretty clean, man. So, and I love 9. So yeah, these are nice, man. So let's start with the outsole. You got that translucent gray outsole with the white Jumpman on the back of the heel of the shoe. On the front of the shoe, of course, you got that 1994 and those different languages for the world. Move to the upper of the shoe, the midsole, you got that white midsole, white Jumpman right there, going towards the back of the midsole. You got that gray patent leather covering the whole shoe that wraps around the whole shoe, going all the way from the back, from the medial to the lateral side of the shoe. Upper, you got a nice nubuck upper. Heel of the shoe, you got that white 23. You got that white globe with that gray, cool gray strap. Patent leather wrapping around everything around the back of the heel. This part right here is the flyest part of the shoe, in my opinion, of nines. I always love when they make sure they highlight the 23 on the back of the shoe. That's so dope, man. Going to the front of the shoe, you have like a mesh tongue with that white speed rope laces. In the front, the top, you got Air Jordan right there at the top. And you know what? See, here we go again. This is the thing. I don't like when they kind of blend in where it says Air Jordan right here on the top. I don't like when they blend that in. I'd rather them take that Air Jordan that's right there on the top of the tongue and put it in white. Make it pop out. You know what I mean? That would have been fire if they made that pop out a little bit more than it does. But, you know, I guess that's the way they like to do it. It does come with that like Huarache sock, that inner liner right there, and that's what make nines so snug. That's why people always have to go up like a half a size or a whole size of nines, because of this inner sock. But let me tell you something, when you're balling in this shoe, it's one of the best shoes to ball in for me growing up, because of that sock right there. I actually played in the charcoal nines. I hope they bring those back out. When I was in like 10th grade, 9th or 10th grade, and you know, they fit me just perfect. And I would just remember playing in them, that this inner Huarache sock right here, it just made for extra secure. It like locked your foot down for me. And I was able to have, you know, better movement, more crisp movement, quicker step, first step, things of that nature. So in the inside, let me see here, let me unlace them. So we can go ahead and get a good view of the inside of the shoe. Inside, you should have that white Jumpman, your sizing tag with that cool gray insole. And that's it. That's pretty much of the shoe. Right shoe, same as the left shoe, nothing different, same. So, yeah, man. And my opinion, like I said, it's my first time having this shoe. My honest thoughts, man, this is a clean shoe, man. I wasn't sure if I was gonna, you know, keep this shoe or not. You know, I definitely, you know, wanted to bring the review to you and just get them in hand, because like my golden rule, I never make a decision without seeing a shoe in hand or on feet. That's my golden rule. If you're iffy about a shoe, you gotta see them in hand to make your final judgment. And yeah, I think these are keeper, man. These are clean. These are clean. And you know, it's spring coming up, summer. These will look good, man, with some gray shorts, white Nike, white t-shirt, man. Keep it simple. Hat, no hat. You know, that's how I would rock these. And then with an all gray sweatsuit, you can't go wrong. So yeah, these are fire, and these are staying in the collection, definitely. With that being said, thank you for tuning in. Again, like I said, I appreciate all the support, and you know, thanks for everyone, their good feedback, you know, commenting down below. You know, keep it coming, man. Like, comment, and share the channel. Again, once again, you know, we want to continue to grow in 2025. I want to keep bringing you visuals. Even if I don't want the shoe, or I'm not thinking about keeping the shoe, I got to remember that I have a YouTube channel now, and there are people out there that maybe do want the shoe and want to see a review first before they make a decision. So I got to keep that in mind. I got to bring the content to you no matter what. It's not about me at this point. It's about the sneaker fam out there watching these videos, you know, trying to figure out if they want to cop the shoe or not. So they're looking for reviews to watch on the shoe. So I got to remember that. And that's what I'm focused on for 2025, just bringing content to the channel. No matter if I want the shoe or not, I got to bring it to my peeps. So with that being said, we're going to hop into this on foot. And until the next video, I'm out.
Dying one.
Rock. Rock man enough.
I know. The way I'm dipping steps so fresh, they call me Manny. Plus the crossover so cold, it come in handy. Every day I shoot a movie, call me Stanley. Can't walk a mile off in my shoes if you can't stand me. So exclusive, this only for friends and family. We up on sneaks and they so geek, we high on fashion. What's up, what's happening? I'm extra fresh out the package, shipping and handling. Life in 4D, I'm an OG like Jordan 03, yeah. It's getting OC, the fashion on me, they tryna clone me, yeah. Shot the DE for the 3P, I'm like Kobe, yeah. The passion feed me, yeah. I know you see me, yeah. Done one. I'm so what this world, they say I'm gone. About to eat the game up like a one time. Done. I'm done one. I'm so what this world, they say I'm gone. About to eat the game up like a one time. Done.